Hey, how are you doing now? What are you doing now? Dropshipping fans, dropshipping zealots, how is your business going? I announced yesterday that I will be helping somebody to just to get up with the business, you know, with the dropshipping business, because quite few of send me an email. Thank you. Below this video will be my email again. You can send me if you haven't sent me email yet. I am looking for somebody to whom I can impart some knowledge, some tip for free. I'm not gonna charge anything, just not going to be your private coach for eternity, but just helping you to get your account up. Here is what I have seen from those emails and from those people who sent me something. I just want to do some quick update for you, because maybe you have the same problems what I have seen people are doing. Okay, so very common thing, one thing is like generally almost everybody is doing wrong. Yes, guys, that's what most of you are doing wrong. That's why you are not getting sales. That's why you are not getting results. And which is you list wrong products. Almost everyone, except one person from those emails what I received yesterday, only one person is listing correctly, because that person is well-established feedbacks, over 1,000 feedbacks already on his eBay account, but he wanted to transfer the account, what he's doing now and the products he is listing now, not the dropshipping products, but his products, wholesale products, and to transfer account into the dropshipping account, which is possible. The account is in very great shape, but even then, if you want to transfer account, you need to know what products to list. But everybody else is listing wrong products. Why wrong products? Because, guys, please understand, it's not my theology, it's not my thinking, but I discovered during those years that it matters what products you list on eBay. Not for me, but it matters for eBay and for you, because if you list wrong product on your eBay account, you will gonna get the wrong result. What I mean by wrong result, you will not gonna be satisfied with the result, because what you are listing products for is to get sales, right? That's what that's kind of like, normal expectation. If I list something, I want to have a sale. So, but you are listing and listing and listing and listing, and you are not getting sales. You are making nice pictures. Some of you are making nice descriptions, but you are not getting sales. Why I'm saying wrong product? Because generally there are few more mistakes and a few specific mistakes. I will just gonna mention one general mistake what everybody else is doing. From, again, considering the accounts I have seen yesterday, okay? You are listing products absolutely irrelevant, how to explain this, that are not relevant to your level, seller's level. What I mean by this, let me explain. Some of you are having only just get started, 0 feedbacks. Some of you get 2, 3, 5 feedbacks, and you are listing products which shouldn't be listed for the price category and the category, the eBay categories, which consider on eBay to be very saturated and very hard selling, very strict, where they will not gonna allow new eBay buyers to sell. Okay, so you don't have that understanding, and because I don't know where you get the information from about how to list products, what products to list, but you're just dumping products, any product, nice looking product, hot selling product, you just dump on your eBay account hoping that it will gonna be sold, and it's not. You get disappointed and you say, hey, this is not working, and you turn away somewhere to Shopify or somewhere else, I don't know. But that's not the problem. The problem is you just not listing products related to your level of selling. It is different product you have to list when you just started out. What I mean just started out is when you are totally beginner, when you have feedback score something less below 50 feedbacks. You are not listing the same products what those people list who have 600 feedbacks and 1000 feedbacks. They list totally different products because they again, please understand, this is not my theology. This is just how eBay's perception is towards you guys, and if you don't get it, you get it wrong results. Okay, so this was like a on anybody, on everybody, what have I seen there on those accounts what you have sent me yesterday. Okay, so that's kind of like general. Again, if you haven't sent your account, you can please, below this video will gonna be my email address. You can send in. I will check out, maybe you have something else wrong, right? And there is plenty of things what you can get wrong. Some of you are doing copy paste still. Some of you are just taking Amazon's pictures and putting Amazon's pictures on your eBay account. Some of you are don't do anything with the supplier's description, provided product description. You just copy paste, which is totally wrong, because if you do those things, you will gonna be one of them. This is sameness. It's called virus. It's called sameness. On eBay's radar, you appear to be the same as everybody else. How can you guys hope to sell something if you appear on eBay as everybody else? You will not gonna make money. Okay, that's why we have training. That's why we trade. That's why I completed the training called 799, where you follow the tactics. What products you have to list for your first week? What products you have to list for your week number 6? What products you have to list for your week number 11? Okay, and on for the first 3 months. And when you follow this sequence of the product price, product categories, for what tactics to apply for the product. For example, do you want to list product for quick sale, or do you want to list product for the high profit margin? It's very big difference how you do this, okay? And it's very big difference which tactic you need to choose at your week number 2, or maybe which tactic you need to choose at your week number 12. Very different tactic. The different tactics is what we use, and different products what we use into the different categories what we use to list. If we want to boost our account and get more sales, because we know that if we're getting more sales, visibility on eBay will be much more wider. So all sorts of those things, those are not difficult things. Those are very simple, very fundamental things I discovered to do by doing dropshipping since 2014, okay? And that's why I made this training 799, where everything is inside. And if you just follow the training, you're getting results which are the 6-figure. Yes, I'm not exaggerating, guys. 6-figure income in 90 days, okay? That's why I have been proved this by my videos. You can take a watch some videos. I will post them by the end of this video. And not in a profit, I'm not, but in income. Okay, you're selling 6 figures on every month, okay? So, and started from new account. Guys, I don't want to go deeper in this. It's just my call. And one more thing I want to say before I put the videos up there. Please understand where we are right now, okay? The COVID is taking crazy. Again, another hit. Governments in every country, including America, shutting down people's social work, socializing, okay? You have to be aware of this, because what we're gonna do, I hope you understand already, okay? People will be more limited. They will gonna go online more often. This is the best every COVID hit out there for us, for the dropshippers, is another yes. It's very stupid way to say like this, to compare like this, but this is reality, guys, because when people are limited to go out there and to shop, they go to shop online. And if you are not using this time to go shop online, I don't know what you are thinking about, guys. Okay? You just need to make as many online shops you can on eBay, okay, and sell as many products you can. But please do this in a proper way. That's my call to you guys, and I will be very happy to receive some more your emails. Below this is my email address. Text me an email, send me an email, and please, when you send your email, put in there also this one of your listed products, what you listed, the link, one of your on eBay link, the HTTP link to one of your latest listed products. Then I will click on that link and I will see the product, and I will see what's going on with your account and on which stand your account is, and I can suggest you to what products to focus on, from which products to stay away, because they are slowing down your account. And if you choose another category, or if you choose another price range according to your level, that's what I always looking to my private clients or with the clients when they, because according to your level, this is kind of like mantra. You have to learn that mantra. I am listing products according to my level of selling, according to my level of performance. Okay, that's what my coach taught me many years ago. He said, Andrew, when you do the dropshipping, always remember number one thing for success. Always list the products according to your ability. I was kind of like, what ability? I can sell $4,000 worth whatever, living room equipment or furniture. He said, no, you can't, because you're gonna be suspended. So kind of like this. Okay, guys, I hope it really makes sense for you. Give me some thumbs up if this is something what makes sense to you. If you have questions, please put below questions, or watch those two videos up here. They are proof what I did in a couple months to make my account up to 6 figures, and because of those two videos you can do the same. Take care, see you next video. Bye bye.